Hello everyone. This is profit and loss, or you can say the income and expense tracker sheet, and you can use this for your personal uh, bookkeeping, or if you have any small business, you can use this for that as well. So let's start with the setting tab. If you go to the setting tab, you will see the first fiscal year, like for example, if you started your starting entering data to today, or for the month of Feb, or for the month of April, you will enter that date. If let me show you in the profit and loss sheet, you will see the Jan to Feb. When I will change this to 4th, which is the April 2020, and you will see the April 2020 here. Let me change this. Alright, so here you will see in the drop down the current month. The reason for doing that is, for example, this is April. If you go to the in the profit and loss tab, so you will see that the April has been highlighted in green. So it means that if you will open this, you can only see this one. This is for the relevant for a year, relevant month. Okay. If you will delete this one, nothing will be highlighted, only the total will be highlighted. Okay. And same, you can select the quarters here. Here you will enter your target net profit target. Okay. So for example, if you are having a new business, and you can set a target that if I will get 20% or 12% or 50% of the target, then I will continue this business. So this will be your monthly target. Okay, I set like 12%. It means that each month, if I'm going to earn 12%, then this everything will be okay, and I will continue my business. So this will show here on the dashboard your target. If this will be this will be less than 12%, let me show you in which month. There are less than 12%. Let me find some. No. Okay, so if there will be the less than 12%, so this will be highlighted in red. Okay, so you will see that this is something, there is something wrong, so in that month. Okay, so this was this tab, setting tab. If you go to the dashboard, you will see from here you can change the months, and if you go further down here, you will see the budgeted, the percentage of budgeted expenses. So your budgeted expenses was 3,500, and your balance is minus 230. It means that your you have you have make lots of expenses. So I will show you where you will enter these figures. Okay, and same is the case with the percentage of budget. Okay, so you made your budget was 5,000, but in any way, in some reason, this is not. Let me show you here. If you go down here, you will see your budget. Alright, so this is your budgeted income. So this is 5,000 your budgeted income. If you go up here, you will see this is 4,721. It means that this is less than budgeted. How many less? This is 281 less than budgeted. So you can see which our income is 94% of our budgeted income. Okay, if you go down here, you will see the income and expenses chart. You can analyze this, and if you see, this is your amount receivable. For example, if you make the expense, or you make the sale on credit, correct? If you make a sale on credit, so you have to receive some money from any person, so this will show you 609 is your receivable. And this is if you borrow something from someone, okay, or if you borrow any supplies from someone on credit, so this will show you here. And here a cash movement, you can see the cash movement here, and this is a small summary. If you go on now on the profit and loss, in here this portion, the income portion, is fully automated. If you go down here, every cell which is highlighted, which is in any color, you do not have to change that, okay? You cannot enter anything here. You will click, you will see a formula, this is an you will see an error, and these are the things where you have to enter data manually, because these are not colored. And if you go down here, you will see these are not colored, so you have to enter the data manually. Is that I think everything will be okay now. And if you see, there are lots of rows here. So what you can do, if you have more expenses, you can enter the more expenses. If you have more income categories, so you will enter the income categories here. But if you don't want lots of rows, you can just select. When you will right click, you can hide, but cannot hide right now. The reason is that I have protected the sheet. You have to go to the format, unprotect, the password is 123, enter, and now right click and hide. Okay, so now you can see the lots of rows has been hide. I will hide these as well. Right click and hide. Now you can see these are lots of rows has been hidden. So you can, if you want to add more categories, right click here and unhide. Oh, there is the unhide button. Alright, so these are, so you can do it like this. Okay, you can add as many categories. If for example you have more than, these are 10 or 12, if you have 20 category of your income, so you will click here, right click here, insert the row. Okay, then right click the above, then copy this and go here, right click and paste. What this will do, this will copy the formulas from above and paste it in the down here. And in case you want to add more category of income, you have to leave this last category, and from here then you can insert the rows, as many rows as you want. All right, and same is the case with the expenses as well. So you can add as many expenses as you want. If you go to the, let me move here. If you go to the transaction tab here, you will enter your transaction, the date, and then this is the suitable description. If you, for example, made the payment of $10,000, like 5,000 were rent and 10,000 were rent and 5,000 were given by other partner or other person, you will enter that detail here. And from the drop down, you will select the category of your income, and here you will enter the income. And same is the case with the expenses. Here you will enter the date and then expense, and from here you will enter choose the category of your expense from here, and then write the expense amount here. And this is the last tab. You will see my details, and you can contact me. You can mail me, send me a mail, or you can contact me. If you want any other change in this sheet, I will do that change as well. And thank you so much for watching this. And if you have any question, please let me know. And bye bye.